Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best phlebotomy tote is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any phlebotomist or healthcare professional on the go, ensuring that all necessary supplies are organized, accessible, and protected during patient visits or while transporting samples. A well-designed phlebotomy tote bag not only streamlines your workflow but also maintains the integrity of your medical supplies, from vacuum tubes and needles to antiseptic wipes and personal protective equipment, making it a critical investment for efficiency and professionalism in your daily tasks. Number 5. TOPDesign Utility Water Resistant Tote Bag. Introducing the ultimate tote bag designed for the modern working woman. Stay organized and stylish wherever you go. Never lose track of your essentials again. With 13 thoughtfully designed pockets, everything has its place. Don't let the weather stop you. This bag is crafted with water-resistant material to protect your belongings. Keep your items safe and secure with the convenient top zipper closure. Easy access when you need it, peace of mind when you don't. Designed for everyday use, it features thick bottom support to stand tall and hold its shape, even when fully packed. This tote is more than just a bag, it's your reliable partner for work, errands, and everything in between. What we like? This tote offers exceptional organization with its 13 pockets, making it easy to keep all your phlebotomy supplies neatly arranged. Its water-resistant material provides protection against spills and splashes. If you're looking for a durable and well-organized bag for your daily work, this is a great choice. What people say. The tote is well organized with multiple compartments for supplies. It is durable and made of high-quality material, which is great for frequent use. The design is practical, allowing easy access to all necessary phlebotomy tools. Number 4. Dixie EMS Dixigear First Responder 2 Bag, Blue. This bag features a large main compartment with a foam divider. It also includes side pockets to keep your essential equipment secure and easily accessible. Keep your gear tidy with the central compartment's additional pockets. They are perfect for securing smaller items and ensuring quick access when you need them. Need more space? 2 zippered side pockets are ideal for larger items. This makes organizing all your tools and equipment simple and efficient. This is the perfect EMT jump bag for any first responder. Its thoughtful design ensures everything you need is within reach. The blue color makes it easy to spot, and the multiple compartments ensure your supplies are always organized and ready. It's built for demanding situations. What we like? This bag features a large main compartment with a divider, perfect for keeping larger items secure and accessible. The additional zippered side pockets offer extra storage for bulkier supplies. If you need a compact yet spacious bag for emergency response or quick medical calls, this is ideal for keeping essential equipment organized and ready. What people say. The multiple compartments and pockets allow for efficient organization, making it easy to access what you need quickly, whether it's bandages, gauze, or emergency tools. The zippers are sturdy, and the material feels durable, able to withstand the rigors of being on the go. Perfect size for a vehicle. Big enough to store items for incidents, bigger than a minor first aid kit but small and light enough to not be in the way. The straps are a great length to slip the bag on your forearm and transport it wherever. I fit all the necessaries in and it's not overstuffed at all. Number 3. Portable Caddy American-made DIY Storage Organizer. Tired of clutter? Discover our new DIY storage caddy, designed for ultimate organization. Its beauty lies in the unlimited configuration possibilities with 8 spacious compartments. From art supplies like paints and glitter to craft essentials like yarn and ribbons, this organizer handles it all. It's perfect for scrapbooking, card making, and so much more. Need to move your supplies? The easy carry handle makes transport a breeze. Simply grab and go, whether it's from shelf to cabinet or across the room. This functional and versatile bin isn't just for crafts. Use it for household items, office supplies, or even in college dorms and RVs. The possibilities are truly endless. Measuring an extra large 14 by 7 inches, it's built to last with premium, high-impact polystyrene. Proudly designed and made in the USA, we guarantee your satisfaction. What we like? The standout feature here is the DIY dividers, allowing you to customize the 8 compartments to perfectly fit your specific supplies. Its portable design with an easy carry handle makes it convenient to move around. If you're someone who needs a highly adaptable organizer for various craft supplies, art materials, or even medical kits, and you value personalized storage, this is the one for you. What people say. The tote is well organized with multiple compartments for supplies. It has a durable construction that holds up well to daily use. The design allows for easy access to all the necessary phlebotomy tools. Number 2. Plano TOTMO Toolbox. Introducing the Plano TOTMO Toolbox, a versatile storage solution designed for your convenience. It's made from durable polypropylene, ensuring longevity and ease of use. This toolbox features a large caddy with 2 deep compartments, perfect for organizing your supplies. You'll find plenty of room for everything you need. Discover a hidden, full-length storage drawer located below the main compartments. It's ideal for keeping smaller items secure and out of sight. Crafted from heavy-duty plastic, this toolbox is built to last and won't rust over time. Its robust construction guarantees reliable performance. Maintaining this storage solution is a breeze. The smooth plastic surface is easy to clean, keeping it looking great with minimal effort. Its deep design makes it perfectly suited for storing even long items like paintbrushes and various tools. Everything you need will fit with ease. What we like. This toolbox boasts a unique hidden full-length storage drawer, offering discreet and secure space for smaller items. Its deep compartments are perfect for larger tools or supplies. If you need a robust and versatile organizer that can handle heavy-duty use, whether for tools, art supplies, or medical equipment, and you appreciate the added security of a hidden drawer, consider this option. What people say. Very well designed and built. It has compartments to separate stuff in it and closes very securely. It is a very durable and tough plastic, and while we aren't using it in the traditional sense, it would work well for tools as well. Sturdy, well made, and very useful for tool storage. Number 1. TSOTMO Phlebotomist Nurse Appreciation Tote Bag. Show your appreciation for the phlebotomists in your life with this special tote bag. It's a thoughtful and practical gift they're sure to love. This bag is perfectly sized for your makeup, stationery, or other daily essentials. Its cute and fun graphic makes it a stylish accessory for any occasion. Crafted from high-quality canvas with a chic marble print, this bag is built to last. It's scratch-resistant, durable, and water-resistant for everyday use. The sturdy gold zipper keeps your item secure, while the thoughtful opening design makes organization a breeze. An internal zipper pocket is perfect for valuables. This bag easily holds all your daily makeup and personal items, keeping everything neat and accessible. Its portable and lightweight design means you can take it anywhere. Please note that this item is not intended for use by children aged 12 and under. What we like. Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant, and water-resistant canvas with a stylish marble print, this bag combines aesthetics with functionality. The internal zipper pocket adds an extra layer of security for valuables. If you're looking for a chic yet practical tote for your cosmetics, toiletries, or small work essentials, and you appreciate a touch of style along with reliable organization, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Exactly as pictured. The colors are gorgeous. It looks exactly like the photo and is very durable quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.